SMS Medical College is one of the pioneer and prestigious medical colleges of India, built on the foundation stone laid by then Governor General and Viceroy, Lord Wavell, in 1946. It started functioning in the year 1947. Its Department of Neurosurgery started with a humble beginning in 1975. Professor S.R. Darkar, who has been rightly addressed as the father of neurosurgery in Rajasthan, has contributed his sweat and blood from its inception. Hence, the department bloomed into an apex center of neurosurgical treatment and training. The legacy has been further forward by his disciple and the present head of the department, Professor Dr. V.D. Sinha. He, along with his team, has further enhanced, making the department flourish as one of the leading neurosurgical centers of the world. It has treated more than 7,625 inpatients and performed 5,000 neurosurgical procedures last year. The multidisciplinary team includes 18 neurosurgeons, 36 residents in training, 3 neurointerventionists, besides extremely capable and dedicated neuroanesthetists. This team has the expertise and the will to provide the best possible treatment. The infrastructure has improved, and the department now caters to a patient population not only from all over Rajasthan but also neighboring states and countries. We proudly share that with the present bed strengths, new neurotrauma wing and 4 ICUs, this has emerged as the second largest neurosurgery centers in the country. Pediatric neurosurgery is a recent addition to the department. Students from Ayujan Architecture College created art installations and paintings with the concept of painting the grey walls of hospital with the colors of hope and happiness during their hospital stay. Toys, games and cartoons are provided by the volunteers. The caring nursing and the paramedical staff also participates in playing with them and educating them.
सर, ये हमारा बेटा है दिव्यदर्श शर्मा। 5 तारीख की रात को हम लोग त्रिमूर्ति सर्किल से निकल रहे थे, कार में टक्कर हो गई हम लोगों की और काफ़ी सीरियस था हमारा बेटा। हम और हमारे हस्बैंड आगे बैठे हुए थे। हम लोगों ने तो सीट बेल्ट लगा रखी थी, लेकिन ये बच्चा है, इसने सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाई थी, तो हम लोगों का काफ़ी सीरियस एक्सीडेंट हो गया। और हम सबको मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि सीट बेल्ट लगाएं। जो पीछे बैठे हैं हम लोग उनको लेके भी सीरियस नहीं होते हैं, और इससे हमने भी सीखा है कि हम लोगों को सीट बेल्ट लगानी चाहिए। और सर, हम यहाँ पे SMS में लेके आए, और यहाँ पे एमरजेंसी में जब हम बच्चे को लेके आए तो हमारे मन में डर था कि पता नहीं कैसी यहाँ पे सर्विसेज मिलेंगी। लेकिन एक अगर हम बात करें सर, अपने मन से हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हमें बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी सर्विसेज मिली। एमरजेंसी में इमीडिएट डॉक्टर्स ने इसको फ़र्स्ट एड भी दी, इसका ऑपरेशन भी हुआ, और उसके बाद में जब हम लोग को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया गया तो हम थैंक्स कहना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर V.D. सिन्हा, अजय शर्मा जी का। बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे सारा नर्सिंग स्टाफ और सब बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू सो मच। और इसके लिए हमें लगता है कि हमें अपनी गवर्नमेंट का भी थैंक्स करना है। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।
A newly established neuro rehabilitation center within the premises is providing services to the inpatient, starting rehabilitation early, hence making it more effective. We have 8 dedicated operation theatres and 40 bedded, continuously staffed neurosurgical ICUs. In addition to the traditional open surgical technique, patients are also being treated by more advanced, minimally invasive procedures like endovascular and endoscopic surgery. Experimental lab is ready for its launch with support and contribution from Dr. S.R. Dharkar sir. Dedicated trauma wing with well-equipped beds, doctors, paramedical staff and the ICUs is capable of giving the best possible in-hospital neurotrauma care. The department has not stopped here. Being a continuous witness of the huge burden of neurotrauma in the department, Professor V.D. Sinha has intervened in injury prevention through Neurotrauma Society of Jaipur. It started functioning from 11th December 2009 with only 39 members but huge tasks. World-renowned dignitaries like Sir Graham Teasdale led the rally with huge participation by students and cadets. The signature campaign, with oath to abide by the traffic rules, culminated into 25,000 signatures. Neurotrauma Society of Jaipur has led innumerable activities, including Nukkad Nataks, teaching and training to school and college students, bystanders, NCC cadets, nursing and policemen. It has been praised by international faculty in many of the international meetings as well. There has been 6,000 posters distributed to police station, CHCs, PHCs, etc. in Rajasthan with tips about pre-hospital care.
न्यूरोसर्जरी विभाग का प्रोग्रेस या डेवलपमेंट जो भी हुआ है उसके बारे में बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि डॉक्टर US अग्रवाल जो हमारे प्रिंसिपल SMS मेडिकल कॉलेज हैं उनके सहयोग से, फैकल्टी व प्रशासन के सहयोग से हुआ है.
But still there are miles to go and promises to keep. Thank you for your patient hearing.